Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to day 4 of solving problems from Striver's SDE sheet. Let's get started. Today we will be looking at the two-sum problem on Leetcode. The problem says given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Cool. The first way we could solve this is brute force, but that will take big O of n squared time in the worst case. Let's try using a map for improving time complexity. While we loop through the array, we can store the numbers corresponding to each index inside a dictionary. Then we can look for target minus the current element in the map each time we move to the next index to check if target minus the current element has previously appeared in the array or not. If we find it in the hash map, we return the current index and the index of the complement from the dictionary. This way we bring down the time complexity to big O of n with a space complexity of big O of n. Now we will look at the code. Please like and subscribe for more Python solutions. Thanks.